Hello and good evening and welcome back to the Synergy Financial Spreadsheet. For present value, there is a long table that was required. So most of these tables that are in the years 1 to 5 compared to all of this. So let's go to the second present value table, which is going to be long, and calculate term value B. And that should be it. Yeah, so great answer. So that's the term value B, calculate present value. Now I'm going to TV A plus B. So that's going to be a similar one, which is going to be very long. Try to fix the calculations, so that's the table there. Prior technical, hard, difficult, and professional. So now we're in TV A plus B 2.S, which is the last section of the present value table. click there. So, okay, that's the hardest bit now completed. The 4 present value tables are now officially completed. So that's very good. So only 3 last tables left, which will be simple and short. So let's calculate the gains from Synergy. So this take away this. Okay, the most a bidder firm can bid per target. So term value B plus gains from Synergy. The one last section left, percentage premium over the market price. Yeah, so only 7.54%, so there's notes to be taken. So it is not simple to back out the growth rates for the combined firm when there is no synergy because growth rates will change. 2. It is far simpler to remember that in the absence of synergy, the cash flows, terminal value, and present value of the combined firm will always be equal to the sum of the same for the individual firms. And number 3, to back out the terminal growth rate of the combined firm in the absence of synergy, use the combined terminal value estimate in conjunction with the required rate of return to solve for the terminal growth rate. So that is it for today. So that's every single figures are now inside the table all calculated. So very hard, very difficult, very challenging. So this is a very challenging and most technical good spreadsheet. So that's how to calculate synergy. So that's it for today. So thank you all for watching this. Wash your hands, stay safe, and hope you all have a good weekend. And see you all very soon. Adios.